Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In a shocking revelation, senior journalist Pradeep Singh has made serious allegations against former Indian leaders, including ex-Vice President Hamid Ansari and former Prime Minister I.K. Gujral. During a television program on India TV, Singh claimed that Gujral, during his tenure as Prime Minister, allegedly provided Pakistan with a list of all Indian research and analysis wing agents, leading to their deaths. Singh asserted when Gujral became Prime Minister, he handed over the addresses of all raw agents to Pakistan. All of them were killed. Furthermore, Singh alleged that Hamid Ansari, while serving as India's ambassador to Iran, disclosed the identities of Indian intelligence assets in Iran, resulting in their deaths. Singh's claims gained further attention due to a previous assertion by Pakistani journalist Nusrat Mirza. In a talk show, Mirza stated that between 2005 and 2012, he visited India 5 times on invitation of Ansari and Zafarul Islam, the founder of English newspaper Milli Gazette. During these visits, Mirza reportedly gathered sensitive intelligence which was subsequently shared with Pakistan's inter-service intelligence. Additionally, a former RAW officer claimed in 2019 that Ansari compromised RAW's setup in Tehran during his tenure as ambassador from 1990 to 1992, endangering the lives of Indian operatives. This former officer also alleged that Ansari, in collaboration with IB's additional secretary Ratan Sehgal, debilitated RAW's Gulf unit before the 1993 Bombay bombings. While these claims are significant and sensational, they are not unprecedented. Historical instances exist where high-ranking officials have made errors leading to severe repercussions for the Indian intelligence agencies. The truth behind Singh's allegations remain to be fully verified, but they also echo concerns about the potential for internal betrayal impacting national security. Jai Hind.